Hello everybody, today I have a beautiful project for you with many techniques. So stay till the end and be with me, okay? Hi, this is Smriti from Simply Crafted for Handmade today. So firstly, let's go over the products that we need. So we definitely need a MDF base. I have used a small chopping board and this is the product that we will be making, and let's see what all that we need to make this. So to start with, as I said, we need a MDF base. I use this chopping board. Then I need pale daffodil and bubblegum pink and also snow white chalky paints. Then for papers, I used Fashionista. This is a Decor thin paper and very thin. Then for transfer sheets, I used 3 transfer sheets over here. So I started with the Succulent Love, then Girl Boss and Ornamental Patch. And of course, our very own Decoupage glue and Decoupage varnish. So come, let's start and make this beautiful project together. So to start with, of course, I've given a layer of gesso or gesso, and later I'm going to cover it with pale daffodils and snow white, mixing it together because I wanted to dilute the yellow color in it. And also I always like to give different hues. So first do the base and then let it dry. Once dried, I did the back side also. I painted both the sides with the same color. Now that both the sides are painted and dry, I used masking tape to cover the paint and I created 1-inch lines, starting from the center of course and then going towards the side. So I just masked off the area I did not want to paint. That is the whole idea behind doing this. So burnish it well with your fingertips, press the masking tape nicely so that the paint does not go under, and then you can use the second color that you want. In my case here, I have used bubblegum pink. So now I'm going to paint the sides which is not been masked with the masking tape with bubblegum pink, and of course this again I have diluted with snow white white color because again I wanted a different hue and I wanted the back again to be pink, so I went and gave a second color on the back side again. Now when you remove the masking tape, you will see crisp beautiful lines and see such a beautiful texture. On this, I am going to apply the paper. Fashionista is the paper that I have used and I have cut out one image out of it. And I want to place it not very straight, slightly diagonally. And I will be using a lot of transfer sheets along with it to show you the effects of the various colors that play in when you are doing transfer sheets. You see, in this technique, you will see that half is going to be pink and half is going to be yellow. See? Can you see the effect? This is how you decide when and where, what base to use for your transfer sheet. So this is what I have done on both the sides, and once I have done the transfer sheet on the sides with the succulent, I am now going to place my Fashionista motif that I want. As I said, I will be placing it diagonally. After decoupaging my main motif, the focal image, I am going to now again use a transfer sheet which have some words written on it. While using a transfer sheet which has some words, you have to be very careful and always try to see the negative in a light to be able to understand how to place it. Sometimes you can go wrong and place it upside down. Boss babe, I just love this caption. I just love this transfer sheet. All of you must go and buy it. It is a fabulous transfer sheet. So just dry it. As always, very important step is to seal your transfer sheets as well as the decoupage paper. So I'm going to seal it. Now I thought that there is something missing. So what I did was I actually used the decoupage glue on the entire surface to just match the effect. And at the bottom I thought maybe I need some more color. So I had this transfer sheet which is ornamental patch, and this was such a handy transfer sheet because it has such a beautiful design all over and just perfect for such places where you need a little bit of element and not too much, not too, something which does not have a character of its own, but just a little lacy effect. So I just loved this one. Once done, look at the effect. It's fabulous. So first, seal it with a decoupage glue, dry it completely, and that is it. It's ready. So now it's time for us to do the sides. So here I'm going to use bubblegum pink, and I will actually use it with my fingertips only. I did not feel like using a brush and I wanted to give that rugged effect. So just with my fingertips I'm going on the sides, and I did not dilute the paint this time because it is a little highlight on the side and it is just the perfect color I wanted for the sides. So just cover up your sides with bubblegum pink. Once done, use varnish over it. Now, I have already added glitter to my varnish bottle. That is why I always shake it really well so that while applying, my glitters do not come out in lumps. And I have really liked the effect. I have used a personally sourced glitter powder in this varnish, and it has really worked wonders for me. Try it. It's a nice tip. Maybe you also like doing it for all your projects further on. So varnish it front and back and on the sides and finish it and let it dry. And voila, your product is ready. I doodled some fine lines on the motif just to give it a little bit of focus, and that is it. Nothing much to do. I hope you like this project. Do let me know. Bye. See ya.